All right, now we're going to hook up the water. The water hose hooks up just like that to the campsite's water supply. Don't turn it on yet. The hose we've typically been putting inside the trailer, so you'll just have to look for it. It's a white hose. So now he's heading over to the trailer. And that spigot on the right, that's where it is. And it's got one of those little click attachments on both sides. If you see what he just did there, you just push it back and click it in until it clicks in place. Now you can turn on your faucet clockwise or counterclockwise until it's all the way open. And then once you're inside, you'll need to turn on the water, and it's going to spout and spurt a little bit while the air is getting out of the system and getting the water in.